Hello, Joaquin. The next couple days, we're going to be reading a new book. And the new book is all about ants. And in this book, what we're going to learn about is all of the different cool things about ants. What I want you to do is do a quick picture walk with me and go along. And as I'm going through each page, predict what do you think you're going to read or learn about on this page. What do you think we'll learn about on this page if there's a map over here? What do you think we'll learn about on this page if we're looking at the different parts of a ant? What do you think we'll be looking at on this page? Predict what you might think that we're going to be reading about on this page. What do you think we're going to be reading about on this page if we're looking at their nest? It looks like they're talking to each other. What do you think we're going to learn about on this page? It looks like they're working together. What do you think we're going to learn about on this page? On this page? What do you think we'll learn about on this page? You see that they're carrying the leaves? They look like they might be pretty strong. What do you think we'll learn about on this page? And that's the end. So what you can do is go ahead and do a quick picture walk and predict what you think you'll read about on those pages. And after you do your picture walk, there's just a few words that I wanted to point out so that we don't get confused while we're reading. The first word that I wanted to point out is species. So those are just all the different kinds of ants that there are. The next word that I wanted to point out is antenna. An antenna is that little pointy thing on the top of their heads. The next word that I wanted to point out is colonies. Colony is a bunch of ants or things living together in one place. The next word that I wanted to point out is communicate. So this is how the ants talk to one another. Right here again we see one of the words that we just brought up before, and that is antenna. And remember, those are the little pointy things on the ant's head. And that looks like all the words that we wanted to point out. So go ahead, like I said, and do your quick picture walk and predict, and then go ahead and start reading.